Alright, my name is Jim Hickey. I live at 4812 Pecan. I want to show damage to the residence I'm renting from Hurricane Laura. Hope this goes well. First and foremost, we're going to look outside, and I will say that there's a tree down there. All the other trees are okay, but the tree down there, the damage to the house, and when you look outside, there's a tree down right there with all the other trees still around. As a former police detective, I start looking at everything that's happened around, and I'm thinking that maybe a little tornado or something had hit the house. And let's get a overall view damage of bent fences. The yard has been cleaned up, but whatever let everything else survive hit that tree, came over straight, hit this house, and the tree right back here that broke. As far as the house is concerned, the whole patio is gone. Some of these boards have survived. Pieces of tin hanging, but we also have one board here that's broke along the roof. There's lots of sunlight out here. It's like a direct hit right here. It's almost like the roof was lifted up and shook. You can actually see some of the damage on the roof. We do have windows intact until you get here, and you can actually see the window cut here where the window was shattered out. I do apologize about the sunlight. I'm trying to do the best I can. When we go inside, this is the front door. We have cracks around the front door, debris all over the living room. If we step back and we look, the molding is okay, but like I said, it was a direct hit right here at the living room on that shattered glass. All around the molding, you could see the roof was lifted up and shook. See, on the back wall, you can see not too much there. But when we start going over this way, you'll actually see more damage on the walls. But the molding on this side is okay. So whatever came that blew the tree this way, shook the house this way, which also blew that tree over. And big trees like that don't just fall over. The floor did have a few small soft spots, but I guess due to the shifting, maybe something had come loose. But you can see a crease right here where the floor started to go down. Like it said, it had a few soft spots before, but I don't know if the rafters shaking had caused more damage. It's not too bad back here, but we are starting to get some leakage on the roof that is new on that side and that side. And if you look, it's right across the same rafter, which leads me to believe one of the rafters came loose. Other than that, I mean, everything looks pretty much okay, but once again, you can see the bending on the rafter in the bedroom. But the molding is okay here. A few more wet spots around the bathroom. Once again, probably one of the rafters. But the master bedroom came out okay, except for water damage, rafters bending. The living room and the kitchen got the blunt of the damage. The crown molding all the way around, and that part of the house is pretty much secure. And like I said, the crease on the floor, and if you look out in the backyard, there has been a lot of debris, shattered glass that was not there before. I've been living here almost a year. Broken wood next to the shattered glass. AC unit is intact but a little warped. And like I said, the tree is bent over that way. The tree in the front yard is also bent over this way. So I'm thinking maybe whatever hit us hit that tree, hit the patio, the deck, hit the house, and debris everywhere. I hear you, kitty, kitty. I don't know how much this helps, but even the seams in the roof, it's going to be a majority roof damage. I do believe the roof had shook, rafters have moved, allowed debris in, allowed water in, but whatever hit us from that direction, because that tree fell this way. Once again, the patio cover's gone, the roof damage is here, and then it hit the tree over here. But I hope this helps. I really don't know what else to say other than the fact that the roof really needs to be checked out at this point in time because of all the damage from the roof, the molding around the door, the molding around the house, the water leaks in the bedroom. Thanks again for watching the video, and I hope this helps. Boards that were right here are now way out there.